Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading, and I was just going to show you a setup that I was noticing here in Union Pacific Corporation. It is a royal setup, and that is why I like it. We are above the 200, we are above the 50, the 5 and the 13 are on a buy, and you've got a lot of close zones of support here, which I also like to see. So the first cluster you're looking at is about 221.11 to 223.66. Then we do have a point of symmetry there at 220 by itself. Then we have another cluster coming in 216.70 to 218.78. And then the final cluster 214.43 to 214.90. Of course, I am just looking at this previous swing here for support. The next question we want to ask ourselves is, has it triggered, right? So let's take a second here to see if it has triggered on a lower time frame chart. Here on a 15-minute chart. The setup zone we are looking at is what, 221 to 223. Which is at 223.86. So that would be this right here. So we got our setup. It has not triggered on a 15-minute chart. Okay, let's see if we've triggered on a 5-minute chart. It is a royal setup. So if it's triggered on a 5, what does that mean? That means tomorrow you can go ahead and take that trade. We just want you to make sure that it will trigger on a 15-minute chart by the end of the day. So setup plus a 5-minute trigger. That blue 8 has crossed back over the 34. Setup 221 to 223 plus trigger equals trade entry, and then you manage. And if that low from today is any good, we will have a target on the way up of 233 and 235. If we take out that low from today, I will have to recalculate those targets for you. All right, everybody, I hope you have an awesome rest of the day, and I will talk to all of you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me